Beetles are common pests that infect indoor and outdoor spaces. There are many different types of beetle infestations, causing different kinds of damage with different signs. Some beetles are found eating plants, while others contaminate dried foods. In this video, we'll share some tips for spotting different beetle infestations and how to control them. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Beetles are classified in the largest insect order, Coleoptera, with over 25,000 species discovered worldwide. Commonly, when mature, these beetles have hardened forewings known as elytra. The elytra protect the hind wings, which many beetles use for flight. They also have chewing mouthparts, 3 pairs of segmented legs, and a pair of antennae. Colorations can range from dull browns and blacks to bright metallic greens, reds, and blues, sometimes with intricate patterns that help them camouflage or warn predators. Sizes can vary greatly. Beetles found infesting pantries can be millimeters long, while common outdoor beetles can be several centimeters in length. Beetles go through complete metamorphosis, hatching from eggs, developing as larvae, pupating, then emerging as adults. Their lifespans will vary between different species. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Your home can attract beetles for different reasons. Some beetles are brought in with products from the grocery store, some beetles can infest trees and other wooden structures, and some beetles wander indoors from outdoors to find sheltered areas to overwinter. Indoors, beetles can infest carpets, rugs, furniture, or clothes. Inspect your attic, basement, pantry, and other storage areas in your home. Outdoors, many beetles will be attracted to lights, so check exterior lighting fixtures in the evening for activity. You'll also want to observe trees and exposed wood for wood-boring beetles. Signs of activity will vary depending on the species. Plants may be partially eaten, or there could be wilting or discoloration. Wood will have small round or oval holes with nearby frass. Soil can be dug up to reveal grubs. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. Controlling beetles indoors starts with targeting areas where they hide and travel. For focused indoor control, check out D-Fender dust. D-Fender dust is a dry, moisture-resistant insecticidal dust product. On contact or if ingested, the product will impact the pest's nervous system, rendering it unable to function. This product's application rate is 1 ounce per 125 square feet or half a pound per 1,000 square feet. With a handheld dust applicator, treat deep into cracks, crevices, and voids. On proper application, no dust is visible from a normal perspective. All utensils and surfaces in an area where food is processed should be covered before treatment and thoroughly washed before use. Once indoor spaces have been treated, control outdoor spaces with a product like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water. For residential applications, you can use a handheld pump sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a hose end sprayer. For general control, mix and apply a solution at the labeled rate of 1 fluid ounce of product in 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Apply evenly over your turf using a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure full coverage. We also recommend you spray shrubbery and ornamentals from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Spray all foliage to the point of wet but not runoff. Next, conduct a perimeter application by spraying entry points like doors, windows, and other voids that insects can use to hide in or invade through. Next, spray your structure's outer perimeter 3 feet up the foundation and at most 10 feet out. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Make your property less attractive and less accessible to beetles and other pests. Start by sealing cracks and crevices around the outside of your home with caulk or an expanding foam like Sealator Pro. This will stop any beetles or other invasive insects from invading or overwintering. Indoors, keep your storage areas clean. Inspect food packages for pantry beetles, and vacuum rugs and carpets regularly. Outdoors, remove leaf litter and pick up any debris, and trim overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Finally, keep up with preventive applications of your pesticide products. One application of Supreme IT will last for up to 90 days, so we recommend quarterly applications to maintain protection year-round. Indoor applications of Defender dust may be made every 8 months. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop a wide variety of beetles from becoming a problem, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.